Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, I want to walk through how you access the pre-workshop homework page for the GOHacademy Early Childhood webinars. First, you want to go to our main page at GOHacademy.com. Type into Google www.GOHacademy.com. You'll get to this home page and you scroll down and you want to press on resources, that link right there. I press on it and it's going to open up into our main resource page with all the pre-workshop homeworks. If you scroll down, the second one is the Early Childhood Pre-Workshop Homework. You want to press on this link right here. This is going to bring us to the Early Childhood Pre-Workshop Homework page. This is the new Early Childhood Pre-Workshop Homework page. It's for all teachers taking the 2021 and 2022 Early Childhood exams, especially the new one that's coming out. So you want to start here, and on the page it has something called the Top 100. The Top 100 is help you get ready for the class. And the assignment is very simple. You want to go to this term list. We have terms under early childhood, math, science, English, history. You want to go through the terms bold and black first and see if you can clarify them, review them before attending the class. For example, let's say I wasn't so sure under early childhood, Piaget and stages of development, sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational. I could press on the links. So I'll start with Piaget. This particular link opens up to a video, and in 2 minutes, it clarifies some of the major ideas of Piaget and Vygotsky. That basic review might make a big difference to understand some of the questions and concepts we review in the class. So make sure you take these 2 minutes and review these two theorists. Or we could press on another link and go through stages. And you can do this for all the links here. They're going to either open up into a picture, a video, or a diagram to help you clarify these key content terms. You want to do this for the early childhood terms, math, science, English, and history terms, and always start with the terms bold and black first before adding on. Try and do this before the class. And if you don't finish, you can go back after the class and review the terms as well before your exam. In addition to these terms, I've added in, if you scroll down, some flashcards. These are just going to be some diagrams and things we're going to be talking about in the class. For some teachers, this really helps. They're visual. They go through a lot of terms very quickly. You can look at this on your phone the week before your test, the day of your test, and it helps cover a lot of content in a very visual way. So use the flashcards too as another way of going through some of that content. These flashcards here are all focused on early childhood development. So they're just focused on that one aspect of these exams. Finally, if you scroll down the page, you'll get to some quick links of some resources we're going to be talking about during the class, like a link here on an overview of the exam, some sample multiple choice questions, an open response sample question, a practice exam, and some additional resources we'll be talking about during the class. These are things you can do after the class, obviously, after we review all the concepts, and I'll be going through them in more detail on how you can use these additional resources to help you in your studies. Use this page here, team, to help you prepare for the class and get ready for your exam. All right, team, I look forward to seeing everyone at the class coming up. Everyone have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.